Hello my friends, it's Eden Gold here coming at you with a quick little message that will give you some inspiration, motivation for your week. It's all about self-talk and specifically one word that you can put in your phrases that you say to yourself that can greatly change the way that you think of yourself in every situation that you're in. I truly believe that it can change your life. When I heard it, I realized just how powerful it can be in changing the way that I think of myself, look at myself in situations that I am in. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a backstory, then we're gonna get right into it. So the backstory is this. I have a virtual meetup that I put together surrounding mental health and really building positive and sustainable habits moving forward as we go through quarantine and far beyond. And if you want details to that, email me at Eden Gold Inquiries and I'll let you know some details about that. But basically at our last meeting, which was last Sunday at 1 p.m., there was one of my old friends there that we kind of got reconnected a little bit, and you know, her story is just amazing. It's insane, and I really respect her for everything that she's been through. And we were all offering tips on mindset and just really building a strong and powerful mindset, which I do believe is the base to everything, and believing yourself and making your dreams and goals and aspirations comes through. I truly believe that it starts in the mind. And here's the tip that she gave. I want to give her full credit for this. Her name is Whitney Farrell. She said this: instead of talking to yourself in a sense that I don't deserve this, I shouldn't do this, I haven't done enough for this. You know, my past is in the fact that I had an eating disorder, and I would always tell myself, oh, I don't deserve to eat because I ate so much yesterday. I have to work out, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to clean my house, whatever that is for you. A simple changing of the words that you tell yourself can greatly help you to see it in a different light and bring some light to the situation. So she said that what you should say to yourself instead is, I deserve this. I deserve to do this. I should do this for myself. I deserve to do this for myself. I deserve to have a clean house, so I'm gonna clean. I can clean. I deserve to eat this food because I should eat. I deserve this. That's it. I know it's nothing crazy and insane and out there, but I really do believe that a huge part of changing your life is bringing things back down to a level of simplicity and understanding what makes sense. What is something that truly makes sense to me and a good energy that I can embody moving forward, as opposed to pushing something that doesn't necessarily make sense or something that's just crazy and out there that's not going to make you happy. And so using a word like I deserve this, I deserve to feel good, I deserve to have this moment of happiness, I deserve to eat this food, I deserve to go on this hike, I deserve to put the work down and watch this movie, can help you in being kinder to yourself and gentler to yourself. Gentler? What would you do if you could change your self-talk in a way that made you motivated and excited to do everything? Would it allow you to live more presently? Probably. So I think it's just a simple reframing of the words that you tell yourself, and they have the power to honestly change your life. And yes, it's a practice and you're not always gonna believe it, and it takes a lot of self-awareness to kind of look at those words and actively change them, but eventually it will become second nature to do that. And eventually it will become something that you just automatically do. So that's the only message I have for you today. I hope that gave you some inspiration, and I hope that you can start to incorporate that simple changing of the phrases that you tell yourself into your daily life. I would love to see what happens for you and in your mind and your heart over a period of time if you just make the conscious effort to tell yourself that whatever it is that you're doing, you deserve it, as opposed to feeling like you have to or you should or you're not good enough as is, because you are. And I hope that eventually you'll see that if you don't already. So with that being said, let me know how this works for you. Head over to my Instagram. I would love to have a conversation with you about this. And together, let's change our lives. So my Instagram is at EdenGold_, and my other one is at the.foreverstudent, where Gen Zs and millennials have a voice. We talk about mental health in schools and a lot of the life lessons I wish I had known growing up. So I love you guys. I'm sending you my good energy and hugs.